In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an organizational chart in Lucidchart. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Lucidchart and then already log in with your account. And now, on the dashboard or the home page of the Lucidchart, click this plus new to create a organizational chart. You can also create from the templates, but in this case, I'm going to choose the blank chart. So, click Shapes on the left panel and then scroll down for the organizational charts in here. So, enable it by clicking the checkbox, and after that, this will give you access to pre-made org chart elements to drag and drop onto your canvas. And now, to add the top level position, drag a rectangle shape onto the canvas to represent the top level position, for example, CEO, founder, or team lead, and then click inside the shape and type the name and title of the person in that position. And now to add a subordinates and departments, you can drag and drop more rectangle shapes below the top level position to represent managers, department heads, or employees, and then connect them using lines to establish hierarchy. And then after that, click on the top position and then drag a line downward to a subordinate shape and repeat for each connection. If you have a list of employees in a spreadsheet, you can automatically generate an org chart. Just simply click the import data tab on the top toolbar and then upload a CSV or Google Sheet with columns like name, title, manager, and the Lucidchart will generate the chart for you. And that's it. That's how you create an organizational chart in Lucidchart. I hope you all understand. So whether you're designing a company or a team structure, Lucidchart makes it easy to visualize roles and relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.